Hi everyone, my name is Sairi Leron and thank you for being here today. I'm thrilled to talk to you about something incredibly close to my heart. The Sustainable Development Goals are the SDGs. These goals are not just a list of lofty ideas set by the United Nations. They are a blueprint for a better and more sustainable future for all or for us. Today, I want to share with you what I've learned about the SDGs and why they are so crucial and how each one of us can contribute to achieving them. First, the Sustainable Development Goals are a collection of 17 interconnected goals designed to address global challenges such as poverty, inequality, climate change, environmental degradation, peace, and justice. Each goal has a specific target and indicators, making them not just as aspirational but measurable. For instance, Goal 1 aims to end poverty in all its forms everywhere, while Goal 13 focuses on taking urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. These goals are comprehensive, covering social, economic, and environmental dimensions, which means they offer a holistic approach to development. One of the most enlightening aspects I've learned is the interdependence of these goals. You can't achieve quality education, which is the goal 4, without addressing gender equality, which is the goal 5, as empowering women and girls is essential for educational attainment. Similarly, ensuring clean water and sanitation is foundation of our good health and well-being. This interconnectedness means that progress in one area often accelerates progress in others, creating a virtuous cycle of development. Now, why it is important to learn about the SDGs? Understanding the SDGs is vital because it gives us a clear roadmap for making the world a better place. These goals are a universal call to action, urging governments, businesses, and civil society and individuals to work together. Learning about the SDGs empowers us to take action in our own lives. For instance, by being mindful for our consumption patterns, we contribute to responsible consumption and production. By advocating for policies that promote clean energy, we help mitigate climate change and promote sustainability. Moreover, the SDGs emphasize the importance of inclusivity and leaving no one behind. This means paying particular attention to the needs of marginalized and vulnerable populations. By understanding and advocating for the SDGs, we become more compassionate and informed global citizens, ready to support the policies and initiatives that aim to reduce inequality and promote peace and justice. So, how can we contribute? Every individual has a role to play in achieving the SDGs. It begins with education and the awareness. By educating ourselves and others about these goals, we create a ripple effect that can lead to broader societal changes. For instance, supporting local businesses, reducing waste, and volunteering for community projects are small but impactful actions that align with the SDGs. In our professional lives, we can advocate for sustainable practices within our organizations, whether it's reducing the carbon footprint of our operations or ensuring fair labor practices. Every bit helps. Businesses, in particular, have a significant role as they can drive innovation and scale sustainable solutions. Governments, on the other hand, can create enabling environment through policies and regulation that support sustainable development. In conclusion, the Sustainable Development Goals offers a comprehensive framework for addressing the world's most pressing issues. They remind us that development must be sustainable and inclusive. benefiting all people while protecting the planet. This is not just about tickling off a checklist of achievements, but about fostering a fundamental shift in how we think about and approach development. The SDGs challenges us to look beyond short-term gains and focus on long-term impacts, ensuring that the benefits of development are shared equitably and sustainably. They call for an integrated approach, recognizing the social, economic, and environmental dimensions are deeply interconnected and must be addressed together. By learning about these goals, we equip ourselves with the knowledge to make informed decisions and take meaningful actions. This knowledge empower us to understand the roots causes of issues like poverty, inequality, and environment degradation, like what I've said before. It helps us see the bigger picture and understand that our actions, no matter how small, have a ripple effect on the global scale. For example, by choosing to support sustainable products, we are not just making a consumer choice. We are supporting fair labor practices, reducing environmental harm, and promoting responsible business practices. Knowing the SDGs transforms us into informed advocates and responsible stewards of the planet. The journey towards achieving the SDGs is a collective effort requiring the participation of everyone, from policymakers to ordinary citizens. Governments play a critical role by creating policies that promote sustainable development, investing in infrastructure, and ensuring that resources are allocated to those most in need. Businesses can drive innovation and scale solutions that address the SDGs, turning sustainability into a competitive advantage. Civil societies, including nonprofits and grassroots organizations, can mobilize communities, raise awareness, and hold stakeholders accountable. By equal importance are the actions of individuals. Each one of us has the power to contribute through our choices, behaviors, and advocacy. As we move forward, let's keep the SDGs at the forefront of our minds and actions. Let's strive to create a world where poverty is eradicated, where everyone has access to equality, to quality education and healthcare, and where our planet is preserved for future generations. This vision for a better world is not just a dream. It is a blueprint that we can follow. It requires us to be proactive, to collaborate across sectors and borders, and remain steadfast in our commitment to sustainability and equity. It is a challenging path, but with determination, innovation, and collaborative, it is within our reach. By working together, we can turn the SDGs from goals into reality, ensuring the prosperous, just, and sustainable future for all. Thank you.